This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Monday, the 1st of May. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather could not be better today. We stayed dry through Thursday. A little rain for the weekend, but I don't think it's going to rain that much, but there will be a few showers around. Let's talk about things today. This is the upper air look across the country. Got a big upper low just east of the Great Lakes and a large trough over the eastern half of the country, and here a northwest flow aloft and a very dry air mass. Visible satellite view showing a clear sky statewide, and we'll be in dry air for a while, and obviously nothing on radar today. Temperatures pretty far below average. We ought to be around 80 here in early May. It's only 64 for Cullman, Haleyville, Gadsden 66, Aniana 65, Birmingham 68. A little warmer down to the south. We've got 76 for Dothan, 79 for Mobile. Highs will likely stay in the 70s through Thursday. Then we'll be up there around 80 by the time we get to Friday and the weekend. Very quiet day today across the country. Hardly any watches and warnings. We've got a few scattered pockets with wind advisories. And of all places, the marginal risk of severe storms through tonight, parts of Nevada and Oregon. And then tomorrow, just a very small marginal risk on the Texas-New Mexico border. This is day 3, Wednesday. No severe weather expected. Day 4, chance of severe storms in a small zone across parts of Texas and Oklahoma. But we see no meaningful chance of severe weather in Alabama, at least for the next 7 to 10 days. But keep in mind, the tornado season does go through the end of May. We're not quite done with it, almost. Then, of course, hurricane season starts on June 1st. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Rain amounts generally under 1/2 inch for the state. And then again, we're going to see a little rain this weekend, but I just don't think it rains that much. Model fans, let's look at the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Again, got the big vortex over the northeast United States, another big one on the California coast. But for us, we're in between all that, just a beautiful day. We'll start the day well down in the 40s. Very cool and crisp. Not many mornings like this left until the summer gets here. High tomorrow, low to mid-70s. This is Wednesday, a sunny day, same thing. Highs 72 to 76. Thursday, we're dry. Highs in the 70s. And then Friday, we'll be close to 80. And evidence there might be a few scattered showers across the Tennessee Valley, but really, much of the state still dry with a mix of sun and clouds. And then for Saturday, yes, there will be a chance of showers, but no washout, nothing too heavy, no severe storms, and probably no thunder, just a few scattered showers around. And I would suggest a decent chunk of the day will be dry, the high close to 80. And really the same thing on Sunday. Could there be a shower? Yes. Will it rain all day? No. Maybe some sun, the high Sunday close to 80. And a week from today, Monday, May 8th, got a little shortwave ridge in place here. And again, scattered showers, nothing too widespread. Let's go out 10 days. Thursday of next week, May 11th, got a ridge over Florida. It's pretty much the same story. There might be a few spotty showers about, but in terms of a big, high-impact, severe weather event, no. We see nothing like that for the next 7 to 10 days. We'll check rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble. The mean is the green line, the mean of the ensemble members. Again, we're running between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 17th of May. And here comes the warmth. Now, we're going to stay below average through Thursday, but then highs getting up above 80 by the time the weekend gets here. And the NBM is suggesting we might see some upper 80s toward the latter half of next week. And hey, we all know it can get pretty hot around here in May, especially the latter half of May. And yep, look at here, 8 to 14-day guidance. For the first time in a while, we have flipped from blue to orange. This is for the period May 9th through May 15th. Of course, that means temperatures will likely be above average around here. Let's roll that Pepsi Kid Cam video down in Alexander City today. First Baptist Church of Alexander City. This is the Veritas Lake Martin Christian School. And they were looking good. Had a great time. Love a good Monday crowd. Love a May crowd. You know why? Everybody's in a good mood in May in schools because they know the year is almost over. But love coming to Alexander City. Had a great time seeing these kids today. They're great listeners and great learners. We just had a marvelous time. So we have notes over on the blog, alabamawx.com. Tomorrow I will be in Lamar County in West Alabama doing a senior adult lunch there. I believe that's in Sulligent, and it is Sulligent First Baptist Church. And then Wednesday, got a couple of schools in Helena Intermediate School, and then Helena Elementary School. Thursday, going to Marshall County in North Alabama, Albertville Middle School for a program there, and then back to Shelby County for a program at Calera Elementary. Friday in Blount County, Hayden Primary School, and Saturday, St. Clair County. I'll be at a National Weather Service event in Asheville. And again, we're going to post the times and the specifics on that. But I do believe the EMA is involved, and there could be a weather radio giveaway, like free. But again, we'll post details as soon as I get that over on the social platforms. And if you're a noob here, we simulcast these twice a day on Facebook and YouTube. In the morning, the live version about 5:15 Central. In the afternoon, about 2:30 Central. But we know that most of you watch later, which is cool. And don't forget, tonight it's Weather Brains, the Monday night weather party. We start the show at 7, and you can watch it live, youtube.com/weatherbrains. But we know that most of you listen as a podcast. The podcast version hits late tonight after midnight. We started that show way back in 2006. We are 17 years strong. How many podcasts can say that? In fact, tonight is episode 902. Wow. But again, if you're a weather dweeb, nerd, dork, geek, you'll like it. YouTube.com/weatherbrains tonight at 7. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. That's ABC 3340 News, right across the hall, Studio A, at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.